I'd like to review for you my air pump foundation bottles that I purchased. Let me tell you about these. These are empty foundation bottles that they operate via internal air pressure. Now, these are plastic, and what I use these for is I have my foundation bottles are all glass. So when I travel, I run the risk of them breaking. So I like to add them in here. What I do is I just open it, and you see there's no stick coming out of it. It says air pumped. And I will pump a few, enough makeup foundation into one of these bottles. You could use it for makeup, you could use it for your essences, you could use it for your cleansers, etc. And then I screw it back on, and then you just pump it out, and you can take it with you, and it's a plastic bottle, plastic container. I have absolutely loved them. I bought actually a 6-pack set of them so that I could use them a lot, and I think that you would really enjoy them. You can refill them, you can use them over and over, so they're multiple use, and you can use them over and over again. However, I did buy the 6-piece set, which meant that I could have several different things in here, and just a fantastic addition, especially if you travel and you're concerned about your glass bottles breaking when you travel. Pick up some of these, put them in your cart today.